So let's keep on working on synthetic division. So I'm gonna start solving the problem, page 108, number 5. So fx equal to 5x cubed minus 6x squared plus 8 and divide by x minus 4. Okay. So before using synthetic division, you need to check whether the divisor, this one is just x plus b form. Okay, it can be x minus b form as well, as long as the coefficient of x become 1. That's the key point here. Okay, now we are taking the coefficient, so 5 and negative 6 and 8, right? But before you are saying yes, you must check descending term order. Each term must exist on this division here, even though it does not exist. So, third, second, no single term, then you must put 0 between here. And then now you make L shape and opposite of this number, which is 4. What did we do before? Yes, we bring first number down here, always like that. So 4 times 5, which is 20. Combine, which is sum, so 14. So what's the 14 times 4, which is 56, right? So combine them, become 56 here. So what's the 56 times 4 then? So 56 times 4 becomes 224, so put 224. And combine them, so becomes 232. Okay, as I told you before, the last term is always a remainder. And then because it begins from cubic power, so starting term must be square power. So which means synthetic means we always reduce one power because we are dividing on one single power of the x. So the answer becomes 5x squared plus 14x plus 56, and now remainder plus 232 over divisor x minus 4. That will be the answer for this problem. Okay, what about this case? We did this question using long division before. So negative 5x fourth divided by x plus 1. We can solve this question using synthetic division as well. So just make negative 5. There's no third term, so 0. No square term, 0. No single term, 0. No number term, 0. As I told you, division case, even though those terms are not exist, you must put a 0 then. Okay? Now make L shape, and then what's the opposite of this number? Yeah, negative 1. Okay. So first number drop down negative 5, and then negative 1 time negative 5 become 5. 0 plus 5 become 5. Negative 1 times 5 become negative 5. 0 plus negative 5 become negative 5. Negative 1 times negative 5 become 5. And then 0 plus 5 become 5. Negative 1 times 5 become negative 5. And 0 plus negative 5 become negative 5. And which is our remainder. And this will be our quotient. And it began actually fourth power. So now quotient become cubic power as the maximum. So negative 5x cubed plus 5x minus 5x plus 5, and then minus 5 over our quotient was the x plus 1. Okay?